Today, I'm super excited to announce the launch of the Divi Mastery Course 2. This course is not just a click here, click there type of course, but it's a course that teaches a workflow. As you know, Divi from Divi 4 has been upgraded from the ground up to Divi 5. And it is a totally new page builder. So that concept that you had in Divi 4 is totally different in Divi 5. For example, now we have variables, we also have presets, and there's more tools in there like Flexbox and the grid system that has to be used a particular way in order for you to achieve amazing looking layouts. So this course teaches you the workflow right from the beginning right all the way to the end. So one thing that I emphasize, if even right from the beginning, is I emphasized the backup process. As we design our websites at the moment, our plugins sometimes do not work really well with Divi. So backups are very, very important. And I show you the best way to back up your websites, just in case you're working with clients who need a quick turnaround and clients who have websites with sensitive data. So here is the course. It's the Divi Mastery 2. Just a few moments ago of just putting it online, 36 students have signed up for this course. And the previous one, by the way, has 1,297 students. Now, these are serious, dedicated students who want to learn how the new Divi 5 works. Now, I've been using Divi 5 from the days of alpha, not even beta, from alpha. So I've really covered everything that you need to know in order for you to have beautiful looking websites, which are also very easy to scale. Now, this process that I'm going to teach you in this course is going to teach you how to develop websites faster, more consistent. And if you're a design agency or a freelancer, it's even better because you're going to be learning a unique system across board with your team members. So let's take a look and see how this is structured. So if I click in here, you'll notice that it takes me to all the lessons. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every lesson, but as you can see here, I'm talking about installing Divi 5 the correct way, why backups are important, how to back up your website the advanced way, exploring the interface, sections and rows and columns. Now, these have also evolved. They have even more features in here, which are very, very important. So for example, if I were to go to this lesson, you'll notice that now it's a full screen experience. Right? So with this full screen experience, it's much easier for you to see what exactly is happening on the screen. So if I click here to play, for example, so you can see it fills up the whole screen. So this just makes it easier for you to go through the course. And over here, we also have these arrows. Now, these arrows are really important because they make it easier for you to navigate through all these lessons. So you may be asking, so Mac, what about us? We've already bought the course, so do we need to buy again? Well, the answer to that is you do not need to purchase the course again because you've already purchased it. You're getting a free upgrade. So if you haven't got your free upgrade yet, please be patient with me. I am working on this behind the scenes, and this is for anyone who bought the first one, the Divi 5 Mastery course, this one here with 1,297 students. So they're going to get a free upgrade to the Divi Mastery Course 2. Now, if you're wondering why I've created a second course, I mean, this first course, the Divi 5 Mastery, I created it at a time where Divi had not implemented a lot of features. So now there are a lot of features that have been added, which made the first course pretty much dated. So I thought to myself, look, you know, you've sacrificed, you've spent some money towards buying this course. Why charge you for the course again? I mean, it's not your fault. So this is why you're getting a free upgrade. Now, when you purchase Divi Mastery 2, you're also going to automatically be added onto our community. This is not a course where you just pay and then you're just on your own going through all the lessons. No, this is a course where you'll be getting ongoing support. So if you're stuck with anything, you feel free to join the course. In fact, let me show you where the community is so that at least you can see where things are. So here is our community. This is the Divi community. It has close to 3,000 users now. So I occasionally post some tutorials here. This one was the one I did yesterday. As you can see, it's a day ago. And as you go through this, you can go in and add, your comments. You can comment on this. You can ask questions. I'm sure you can see here, people are asking questions, as you can see here, and sometimes the community answers and sometimes I do answer as well. So if you purchase this course, you're going to be part of a wider Divi 5 community. So it is very, very important that you get to be part of this community. Now, for those of you that are lifetime members, you get this course absolutely free because you're lifetime members. And my promise to you was, for being part of the lifetime membership, you get access to everything. Now, this is just the beginning. There are going to be more courses coming up now that Divi 5 is now out in the public. It's not in beta anymore. So there's going to be courses on WooCommerce, or courses on Fluent Cards, Shortcuts. We're also going to be designing specific websites using our design system called Crafter Pro. So it's going to be very, very exciting. And I can't wait to start designing new courses. And I'm here, like I said, to help you with anything that you need. So you may be asking, so how much is this course? Well, this course is going to be $37. Okay, $37. Now, the reason why I've made it $37 is because right now I haven't really, I've got the old price there. This is the new price. Right now, I haven't completed everything that I need in the course. So if you purchase this course today, you are purchasing it for $37, but when the course is fully complete with all the future lessons and all the future features, you won't need to pay extra at any given time. Your $37 is your investment into how to master Divi. So the link to this will be in the video description below. And if you haven't got the invite yet to the new course, please bear with me. I'm still sending emails out, so you should get an email automatically telling you that you're now part of the Divi 5 Mastery 2 course. Please give me a lot of feedback and let me know how you're getting on. If you're confused about anything, just let me know and I'll do my best to respond to this and help you out. Anyway, thank you very much for your support. If you need to support me even further, well, go ahead and purchase the course the second time. I mean, I'll really appreciate it. Or you can buy me, coffee, because I have a way for you to support me for putting together all this content and everything that just goes behind the scenes of Divi University. As you know, this is a one-man band. I'm trying to do this by myself, and as well, I'm trying to be a dad and also a husband and also try to pay all the bills. So this is all I have. So your support will go an extra way because there's a lot of things that need to be covered here. We're talking about hosting, there's so many services that I need to make sure are up and running super fast. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited to hear your feedback on this course. And yeah, keep me updated. Take care.